Hi students, in part B, solved problems, short questions. Very short questions are over. Now, in part B, solved problems, short questions. See, what is the ninth problem we have? Already in very short questions, 8 problems are over. I think you have understood those problems. Now, in short questions, ninth problem. Solve the pair of linear equations x minus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 by using substitution method. Elimination, you have two methods, elimination method and substitution method. Already I told you elimination method in very short questions. Today substitution method. Now you take these two equations, x minus 2y is equal to minus 1 and what is another equation? 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. See, you take one of these two equations. You have to take the value of x or y. I will take the value of y and substitute the value of y in this equation so that you will get the value of x. Now, you bring this one this side. Implies x plus 1 is equal to 2y. You will get y is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now we have y is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now you got y is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Substitute the value of y is equal to x plus 1 by 2 in this equation so that you will get the value of x. Next you can find the value of y. Now substitute y is equal to x plus 1 by 2 in 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. You will get the value of x. Say 2 implies 2x minus 3 into what is the value of y? X plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12. Now 2x minus this can be written as 3x plus 3x plus 3 by 2. You see 3 into x 3x, 3 into 1 3 by 2 is equal to 12. Implies you take LCM. What is the LCM here? Here you have 1. Means you will get the LCM is 2. 2 2s are. How many times it will go? 2 times. It will go 2 times. 1 2s are 2. 2 times. 2 into 2 4x minus. How many times it will go? Only 1 time. 2 1s are. 2 1s means minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. Now implies 4x minus 3x and minus 3. Minus common. Minus into plus minus 3 by 2 is equal to 12. Now next, see 4x minus 3x, x minus 3, x, 4x minus 3x, x minus 3, 2 cross multiplication or you take by 2 is equal to 12. Now see cross multiplication, x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 12, 24. What is the value of x you have? 24 plus 3. The value of x is 27. What is the value of x? You will have x is equal to 27. Now we have y is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Directly you can find the value of y. What we have? X is equal to 27. Y is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Y is equal to, what is the value of x? 27. 27 plus 1 by 2. Y is equal to 28 by 2 is nothing but 40. Now what is the value of x here? X is equal to 27 and what is the value of y you got? Y is equal to 40. We can check whether our answer is true or false. Now substitute the value of x and y in x minus 2 y. See, substitute. Verification. One of these two equations you can substitute. I will take first equation x minus 2y x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. I will take LHS so that we should get RHS, that is minus 1. Substitute the values of x and y in LHS. We should get minus 1. Then our answer is true. You see, x, what is the value of x here? 27 minus 2 into, what is the value of y? 14. Now 27 minus 28. What is the value 27 minus 28? Minus 1. This is RHS. You got RHS is equal to, now 27 minus 28 minus 1. You got RHS as LHS is equal to RHS. Our answer is correct, true. X is equal to 27 and y is equal to 14. Now, what is the 10th problem? Sahiti went to a bank to withdraw 1200 rupees. The cashier gave her 30 notes in 20 rupees and 50 rupees notes. How many notes each? 20 rupees and 50 rupees notes she received. See, let the number of 20 rupees notes be x and 50 rupees notes be y. Now, what is the total number of notes? 20 rupees notes x, 50 rupees notes y. Total number of notes 30. X plus y is equal to 30. 20 rupees notes x and 50 rupees notes y. Total number of notes x plus y is equal to 30. This is equation 1. Next, total amount. What is the total amount? We have to prepare linear equations in two variable. We will have two equations we will get. Total amount. What is the total amount we have? Total amount is 1200 rupees. What is the total amount? 1200 rupees. Now, see, number of notes x. Each note 20 rupees. Total amount 20 into x. 20x plus 50 rupees notes. Number of 50 rupees notes y. Total amount 50 into y. 50y is equal to 1200 rupees. See, now this is equation. See, what is the common here? 20 is there, 0 is there, 0 is there. It can be written as, you take 10 common, 2x plus 5y is equal to 1200. See, you will get 2x plus 5y is equal to 120. This is equation number 2. We have to solve these two equations. Solve these two equations by elimination method or substitution method. We will take these two equations. X plus y is equal to 30. This is equation 1. And this is equation 2. 2x plus 5y is equal to 120. This is equation 2. We have to solve these two equations. See, by elimination method, we will do the problem. See, plus y, 5y is there. You multiply this with 5 and this with 1. You multiply this with 5 so as to make this 5y. And we have to subtract this from this. 5, this is 1. 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into y, 5y is equal to 5 3 is a 150. Next, you multiply with 1. 2x plus 5y is equal to 120. Keep as it is. Now, both are plus y. That's why you have to subtract this from this. Subtracting. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 5x minus 2x, 3x is equal to 150 minus 120 means 30. The value of x will be 10. 30 by 3. The value of x will be 10. You know the value of x is equal to 10. Substitute the value of x in place of x plus y is equal to 30. X is equal to 10. You substitute the value of x in place of x here. You substitute x is equal to 10. You will get the value of y. See, now x plus y is equal to 30. Now what is the value of x? 10 plus y is equal to 30. Now y is equal to 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10. Y is equal to 20. Now you got x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. You see, how many number of 20 rupees notes is 10. Number of 50 rupees notes 20. Next, what is the 11th problem? The angles are complementary. The larger angle is 6 less than the thrice the measure of the smaller angle. Find the measure of each angle. First you should know what is complementary. If sum of angles is equal to 90 degrees, then they are complementary angles. If the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees, then they are supplementary to each other. Now let the smallest complementary angle will be x. Complementary angle will be x. Say, now the larger angle is 6. Now we have to find larger angle. Larger angle will be is equal to, what is larger angle? Angle is 6 less than the thrice of the measure of smaller angle. Thrice the measure of smaller angle. What is smaller angle? X. Thrice the measure of smaller angle. 6 less than the thrice the measure of smaller angle. Minus 6. See, smaller angle is x. Larger angle will be 6 less than the thrice the measure of smaller angle. Now this is x and this is x. 3x minus 6, larger angle. Smaller angle plus larger angle is equal to, means these smaller angle and larger angle are complementary angles. Sum of these angles must be 90 degrees. Complementary. They are complementary to each other. Smaller angle will be x plus larger angle will be 3x minus, this is 3x minus 6. Smaller angle and larger angle is equal to 90 degrees. 3x plus x, 4x minus 6 is equal to 90 degrees. 4x is equal to 96 degrees. Then you will get x is equal to 96 degrees by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 24. See, x is equal to 24 degrees. Smaller angle will be 24 degrees. Now we have to find larger angle. Smaller angle is equal to x degrees is nothing but 24 degrees, and larger angle is equal to, it is 6 less than the thrice of the small, means 3x minus 6. 3 into, what is the value of x here? 24 minus 6. See, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 72 degrees minus 6 degrees. What is the 66 degrees? Now whether our answer is true or false. Verify. Let us verify. Verification. See, complement, sum of larger angle and smaller angle. What is the smaller angle? 24 degrees. Plus, what is the larger angle? 66 degrees. If you add them, you must get 90 degrees. 24 degrees plus 66 degrees, you will get 90 decrease. As our answer is true, verified. Like that you have to do. Hi students, next what is our next problem? 12th problem. Before going to do this problem, you should remember one thing. In every chapter you will have part A, B, C, D. See, in part A, I will teach, it will be introduction and presentation of the chapter. All topics I will cover with examples. Next part B will be solved problems. Very short questions and essay questions. And part C will be IIT Foundation and Olympiad problems. Part D will be graphs. Next I will give practice problems, essay questions, short questions, very short questions, and also I will give objective type questions with answers. Next, before going to what is 12th problem? First, find the values of x and y from this figure. From figure, you write from figure. What is the figure? What is the shape of the figure? Figure is rectangle. You know what are the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. You have to solve for the values of x and y. And in this problem I will take an elimination method. I will explain you elimination method and also substitution method. First I will take elimination method. See, first, what is the property you have in rectangles? Opposite sides are equal. Two lengths, opposite lengths are equal. Opposite breadths are equal. This is equal to this and this is breadth is equal to breadth. See, you write the equations. X plus, I am writing the length, y is equal to 6. X plus y, this is length and also this is length. Both are equal to each other. Opposite sides are equal. Next, what is another equation you can write? Breadth. 3x minus 8 by y is equal to, what is the breadth you have opposite side? 5. We have to solve these two equations, then we can find the values of x and y and we can verify. Now, see, I want to do elimination method. I want you see the equations. You observe these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. You observe these two equations. See, this is 3x and you make it as 3x. If you multiply it with 3 into x, 3x. I will multiply this with 1. See, what is the 3x plus 3 6 are 18 by y is equal to 6 3 are 18. Next you multiply it with 1 because this we have to make x terms equal. I am equating. You have a doubt. Sir, you multiplied this with 3 and this with only 1. Is there any difference? There is no difference. I am multiplying all the equation with 1. There is no change. I am multiplying with LHS and also RHS. This is separate. And I am multiplying this whole equation with 3. There is no difference both sides. And now you see 3x. What is the next equation? 3x minus 8 by y is equal to 5. Because I multiply second equation with 1. 3 into x, 3x into 1, 3x. 8 by y into 1, 8 by y. 5 into 1, 5. Now, you have to 3x is there. Plus, both signs are plus. That's why you have to subtract. Subtracting. Subtracting this equation from this equation. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus here 5 is there, plus 5 means plus 5, it becomes minus. When you subtract this equation from this equation. Plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel. Now I will add these two. 8 by y terms, plus minus became plus, that's why plus 8 by y is equal to 18 minus 5, 30. Next, 18 by, you take down this one, 18 by y plus 8 by y is equal to 30. Now you see, you take LCM. What is the LCM we have? Y is the LCM. Remaining, how many times it will go? Y ones are y. You have to multiply with 1. 80 plus y one time. I have to multiply with 1. 8 is equal to 30. You see 18 plus 8, 26. 26 by y implies you, right? 26 by y is equal to 30. 13 ones are 13 twos are. Next implies 2 by y is equal to 1. You will get y is equal to 2. I want to tell one thing here. See, many students do some mistake. What is the mistake done by them? 26 by y is equal to 13. Directly you can cancel. If it is like this, you see 26 is equal to 13 y. Implies y is equal to 26 by 30. You will get the value of y is equal to 2 like this. You see, some students will do like this. 26 by y is equal to 13 plus 6 or something is there. They will do one mistake. 13 ones are 13 twos are. This is absolutely wrong. 26 by y is equal to 13 plus 6. Suppose 13 ones are 13 twos are, they will cancel. This is absolutely wrong. Don't do like this. If something is, this is wrong. You should not do like this. Like this, you can directly cancel 13 ones are and 13. Like this, you can directly cancel 13 ones are and 13 twos are. 2 by y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 like this. Otherwise, you can do like this. If you have any doubt, 26 is equal to 26 by y is equal to 30. 26 is equal to cross multiply 13y. Y is equal to 26 by, if it multiplies here, it divides. 13 ones are 13 twos are, you will get the value of y, that is equal to 2. Don't do like this. Next, you got the value of y is equal to 2. Next, we have to find the value of x. Y is equal to 2. Substitute the value of y is equal to 2 in one of these two equations. I will take this equation. X plus 6 by y is equal to 6. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 2. X plus 6 by 2 is equal to 6. X plus 6 by 2 means 3 is equal to 6. You will get x is equal to 6 minus 3, that is equal to, therefore x is equal to 3. What is the value of x you got? X is equal to 3. And what is the value of y you got? Y is equal to 2. We have to substitute y is equal to 2 in this equation. Y is equal to 2 you got. Now, whether your answer is true or false, how can you have to check? In mathematics, you have a facility. We can verify whether our answer is true or false. In many problems, we can verify our answer is true or false. What verification I will do? Verification. X plus, I will take this equation, x plus 6y. 6 by y is equal to 6. I will take LHS and you should get RHS. What is LHS here? LHS is x plus 6 by y. When you take LHS, you substitute the values of x and y. In LHS, you should get RHS. What is the value of x? 3 plus 6 by, what is the value of y you have? 2. 3 plus 6 by 2 means 3. You got 6 as this is RHS. When you take LHS, you got RHS, that is 6. Yes, our answer is true. I did tell you elimination method. Next I will tell you substitution method. If you understand elimination and substitution methods, you can do the problems very easily in this pair of linear equations in two variables. Next, substitution method. I have these two equations. I have taken these two equations. Now you take x plus 6 by y is equal to 6. We have to substitute the value of x in this equation. I am taking x is equal to 6 minus 6 by y. X is equal to 6. You substitute the value of x. Substitute the value of x is equal to 6 minus 6 by y you got here. You substitute in second equation. 3x minus 8 by y is equal to 5. See, 3 into, what is the value of x? 6 minus 6 by y minus 8 by y is equal to 5. Multiply this with this. 3 into 6, 18 minus 18 by y minus 8 by y is equal to 5. Now take LCM. What is the LCM you have? Y. 18 into y, 18y minus 18 minus, same is there, no, 8 is equal to 5. It can be written as 18y minus 26 by y is equal to 5. What you got? 18y minus 26 by y is equal to 5. 18y minus 26 is equal to cross multiplication. Y into 5? 5y. 18y minus 5y is equal to 26. 18y minus 5y? 13y. 13y is equal to 26 and y is equal to 26 by 13. You got y is equal to 2. You got, what is the value of y? You got 2. Y is equal to 2 you got. Substitute the value of y is equal to 2 in one of these two equations. I will substitute y is equal to 2 in this equation. See, substitute y is equal to 2 in substitute the value of y is equal to 2 in x plus 6 by y is equal to 6. Implies x, what is the value of y? 6 by, what is the value of y? 2 is equal to 6. X plus 3 is equal to 6. You got x is equal to 6 minus 3, that is 3. You got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Verification. Verify. X plus, I am taking LHS 6 by y. See, what is the value of x? 3. Plus 6 by, what is the value of y? 2. Is equal to 3 plus 3, you got 6. You see, 3 plus 6 by 2 means 3 plus 3, you got 6. You got, when you take LHS, I have taken LHS and got RHS. Verified. Our answer is true. That is, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. In both elimination method and substitution method, we got the same answer. That's why you should perfect in substitution method and also elimination method, so that you can do the problems. In future, it is very important. These two methods are very important. In future, they will be very useful to simplify the problems.